lovers, moonlight dancing on the wall. You'd kiss my forehead softly, then kneel beside the bed, and I'd hear heaven in your voice when you were called. You prayed for angels round me, you thanked the Lord above, and through the crack in my half-open door, I learned what faithful love was. 'Cause Daddy, I still see you down on your knees at night, talking to Jesus softly with tears in your eyes. And though I was just a little girl, too young to understand, God showed me what a father is through the prayers of a faithful man. Now I'm older and life ain't always easy, and some nights I still get afraid. But I remember your Bible open, your worn out hands folded, and the sound of every promise that you prayed. You taught me strength was kindness, and mercy wasn't weak, and the safest place this world has known was hearing my Father speak. 'Cause Daddy, I still see you down on your knees at night, talking to Jesus softly with tears in your eyes. And no, I was just a little girl, too young to understand. God showed me what a father is through the prayers of a faithful man. Some heroes wear no glory, no shining crown above, just a worn Bible beside them and a heart full of Jesus' love. And Daddy, when I pray now, I still hear your voice somehow, leading me back to Jesus, even now. And if my faith can move mountains, it's because back then I watched heaven touch our little home through the prayers of a faithful man. Yes, I watched heaven touch our little home through the prayers of a faithful man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.